answer this. I feel like you're giving me some really bad news.
So, in the Make Happen method, we have ready to fail. Today, we're talking about the right way. What is the right way to do social media? What is the right way to set up your website? What is the right way to sell yourself as an artist? What is the right way to do a YouTube channel? What is the right way to succeed as a creative practitioner? This is the Make Happen method. So, what is the right way? There is no right way to do anything. There's nothing encoded in nature that tells us the right way to do social media or websites or whatnot. We make it all up. Other people make us wrong and therefore make themselves right by telling us we're doing it wrong. You do the same. You tell other people they're doing things wrong in order to make yourself right. We all need to stop this, because this stops you taking action, stops you doing things, stops you creating, stops you sharing, stops you learning, and stops you developing. We all have to stop it. When someone is teaching you to learn how to ride a bike, there's little point in them pointing out what you've done wrong. It's patently obvious. And this is the same with anything we're up to creatively. We know what's working and not working, and we learn through feedback, like falling off the bike. So if you're doing social media, try some stuff out. See what works, do more of that, and see what doesn't work and do less of it. It really is that simple. People that create and innovate are doing it wrong by definition. Because if there was a right way, then it wouldn't be a new way. And a new way, by definition, isn't the right way because it's a new way. Okay, let's think about that again. People that create and innovate are doing it the wrong way, by definition, because they're not doing it the right way. When we create something new, we've created a new way of doing it. It's not the right way. It's not some way that someone else has prescribed. It's a new way. So in your creative practice, get clear that experimentation, trying things out, doing things in new ways, not doing things the right way is absolutely imperative. So to encourage you to stop trying to do things the right way, we have a distinction in the Make Happen method: ready to fail.
Failure is a fundamental part of success. If you want to guarantee not succeeding, then avoid failure by taking absolutely no risks and have nobody ever engage with your endeavours. Try it and see. Oh, wait, many of you already are. What if you figured out ways to fail more often? Rename them experiments if you like, but the more you can orientate yourself towards the acceptance of failure, paradoxically, the more likely you are to experience successes.
So, stop trying to do things the wrong way. So, stop trying to figure out doing it the right way and just do some things and keep doing things until they're working. And when they're working, so stop trying to do things the right way and just do some things and keep doing them until things start working, whether that's your social media or your website or you're selling yourself or getting better at camera or whatever it is. Take action until you get good. Of course, there is one right way to succeed, and that is to subscribe to our channel. Now get out there and fail. What is the right way to succeed? No. What is? So, what is the right way?